Let's talk about the Venlab voltage tester. We have it right here. Really nice item here. It is basically like writing because it looks like a pen. It's got an area to hook it on here. And I'm going to go through and show you the lights first. So first you need to go ahead and power it on. Just hold that down until it beeps and then it's on. And then you go ahead and hit this button to turn the flashlight on and you have a flashlight going. It's really cool. Hit it again. It's going to turn it off. Hold the button down, it's going to change to a red laser pointer. And it's pretty nice. You can go through and see it there. And if you hit it again, it's going to keep the red laser pointer on and give you the flashlight. So it's a combo of both, which is really interesting that it has both at the same time. You can just hold the button to turn the laser pointer off and then just tap it to turn the flashlight off. First thing we're going to do is hold the power button down, and that's going to go ahead and turn it on. Now we're going to hit the H/L, which will look for high or low voltage. Once we get close, you can see it's already beeping. So it does see the voltage there, so we know that that is hot. So let's go ahead and turn the power switch off. And you can still see we are getting readings from it. So even though the power's off, the voltage is still coming through. So what I did here was I went through and I unplugged the surge protector just to make sure it's not malfunctioning. And we come back and there is no power at all. So now it's saying it's safe to use it because there's no power. And this is really going to be a great tool to go through and find when areas are going to be hot and you have to worry about it. It takes two AAA batteries and you can see the design of it here. And you can see the area here. Let's go ahead and open it up just to show you how it opens to put the batteries in. It's pretty simple. I really like that it's a twist off here. And here we have the two AAA batteries. Great item. It's worked really well for me. My name is Kevin from Helpful Tutorials, and I hope this was helpful.